All right. So how do you rank first for super competitive search terms overnight? Let's say, for example, you're starting a new company or have a new website and you really need to rank for something that's really competitive. For example, let's say you started an accounting software company, right? So you want to rank for the best accounting software in search results. This is a great keyword. It's super difficult. It's got good volume, but the trend over time is only increasing. Typically, if you're starting a brand new business or project, this isn't something you're going to go after because you'll never rank for this kind of a search term. It'll take years and years and years to build up your domain authority to rank for that. If you look at who's currently ranking for that, it's some really good domains, Investopedia, the balances. They have super high domain ratings. Investopedia is one of the top 500 websites in the world in terms of organic traffic. They get 50 million visitors. So you don't want to try and rank for this. The fastest way to show up in search results is actually to analyze who's showing up today and figure out how you can be part of that search. Here's what I mean. So let's look at best accounting software in Google search. Of course, we're going to see ads because this is going to be a super competitive keyword, but a lot of clicks, thousands of clicks every month are going to these top 3 search results. So Investopedia, the balances, PC Mag. None of those companies sell accounting software, at least not directly. So what you can do instead of trying to rank for these is go look at these pages. There's no reason you can't be listed as one of the best accounting softwares according to Investopedia. So instead of trying to rank your website for this super competitive search term, instead figure out who's already ranking for it and figure out how you can be listed within those search results. So we go to Investopedia, we look at their guide here. It says they publish unbiased product reviews. We'll see. Their opinions are their own and not influenced by payment we receive from advertising partners. Great. That means that they are sharing affiliate links to the top recommended platforms. So instead of trying to rank for this, instead reach out to Investopedia, reach out to the balances and these other companies who are listing these top products and say, hey, we have this awesome affiliate program. And if you look at that URL in the corner, you can tell that these are affiliate links, probably not all of them. Zero's not. FreshBooks is for sure. Intuit, we already know is. Wave, it looks like, is a legit link. So instead of trying to rank for super competitive search terms, look at who's already ranking. And if there's an opportunity, get listed, get a link to your website on those pages. That's the fastest way that you can rank for some of these super competitive search terms overnight without spending years and years and years building up your domain authority and trying to rank for some of these head terms with lots of search traffic. Good luck.